Sofia, change here for Lucerne Tram Orange Line and Pink Line.
هذه المحطة هي للطيف.
We are waiting for M152. That's the bus we are going to ride, going to G1 Island. You cross the street along District 1 and this is the bus stop for M152. This is the stop of M152 across Lake Defia station. Oh, but you can also take the bus from there, M1532. Maybe. We're not so sure yet. Oh no, puno na. Now this is the stop 66620. So we are walking through this path following the people. Kung asa ang crowd, na siguro dito. And you can see that signage, G1 Island going there. So G1 Island going there. 10 minutes walk daw. We're here to have lunch at BRD or Bird. Mangita pa miyasa na. We are looking for Crystal 6. Kaya na dito ang BRD. We're finally seated here at Bird. There's no queue, so okay ra. Dali ra may makakaon ani. Loves. My food is slowly arriving. This is the sweet potato fries, the eggplant snowball, the truffle cheeseburger, and Coca-Cola. Waiting for the Bird. The Bird has arrived. This is the all herbs. Our food is ready, but my companion is still looking for a washroom. Ah, snowman and penguins. Nice kayo. Na fish. Ah, nice kayo. And we are now home. And now we are heading to bus stop 66621 to go back to Lake Defia station. We're almost there. We are almost there to the bus stop waiting area. That one.